Hi everyone, this is P with Mr.V, and today we're doing another cardio workout. This is the second cardio workout we're doing. If you would like to see the first one, just click on it here. For this workout, we'll be needing a water bottle and an exercise mat. We'll be using the same format as always. 1 minute warm up, 1 minute of active stretching, 12 minutes of non-stop working out, and then 3 minutes of passive stretching at the end. So I hope you're ready because we are about to get started. Okay, for warm up, we're going to do something very simple. Just for 1 minute, we're going to alternate running with jogging. Jogging is obviously running slowly. So we're just going to start jogging, and then every 10 seconds we'll go to running. Hope you're ready. Let's go. Just jogging. Running. Jogging. Sprinting. Jogging. One more, let's go. Great. Whew. That really gets your heart rate up, makes you feel hot. So we're ready for a stretch. Now for active or dynamic stretching, we're basically going to tell our body how we would like it to move when we're actually doing the workout in a second. Okay, so we're just going to move in different ways to show our body what we'd like it to do in a second, okay? So just 1 minute, just follow my lead. Stretch here. Twist. Punches. Biceps. Very good. Hips. Very good. Down. Up. Getting the hips. Perfect. We are ready to go. Okay, let's start with our workout. Remember, it's your own rhythm. You try to do it 10, 20 or 30 seconds and we rest the remaining part of the minute, which is basically 50, 40 or 30 seconds. Ready? We're going to start with skier jacks. Skier jacks. Well done. A little variation of jumping jacks. Okay, so that's skier jacks. Now we're going to the floor for a Russian twist. So we sit down, we fold our fingers together, we try to keep our legs off the floor, and we're going to twist to the side. If you find it too hard, you can put your heels on the floor and just twist here. Tension here in your lower back and your abs. Ready? was a good one. Our next one, plank jacks. So again, jumping jack is this. So if you combine it with a plank, make a plank here, and we're just going to open up and close, okay? So like that. And we try to keep our shoulders above our hands, so in a straight line. If you find it too hard, you can just do it stepping. Excellent, very good. 1/3 down. Next one, Superman lifts. So, we're going to lay down, stretch out completely, and we're going to lift legs and arms, like Superman. If it's too hard, you can only do your legs or only your arms, or just do it less time. Ready? Well done, excellent. Next one. You're going to like this one. So we're basically going to skate. I'm sure you've seen ice skaters going over the ice, or even roller skaters. So we're going to move all our body weight on one foot, our other leg behind, and we move to the other one like that. Try to keep your balance. It's too hard to do it stepping. Ready? Well done, nice skating. We're going back to a plank, and in this plank, we're going to tap our thighs. So you're going to go here, stretch the arm, back. Make sure that your shoulder is above your hand. If you find it too hard, you could do it on your knee, on your knees. Do it like that. Ready? Excellent. Okay, we're halfway, everyone. Excellent. Crunches, very easy. Crunches means our lower back stays on the mat. You can put your hand behind your head and not to pull, just to have your elbow sticking out. And we go up like that. Lower back stays on the mat. We breathe out as we go up. Ready? Well done. Take a moment to stretch there. Nice one. Push-ups, normal push-ups. You can decide how wide you go with your hands. You can decide if you do them on your knees or not. Okay, normal push-ups. Make sure that you go 90 degrees with your elbows. So, or on your knees, straight line, or on your feet. You can choose the width. Nice one, we're getting there. Cross-body mountain climbers. Normal mountain climber, where like this. Just here. Now the cross-body ones, we're going to go here sideways. Sideways. Okay? Sweating a lot here. Hope you too. Ready? Whoa, that was hard, no? After the push-ups. Okay, 3 more to go. We're going to stand up in the next one. So you're all familiar with the butterfly machine. Okay, you can press it forward like that, or open it up. So we're going to imitate using a butterfly machine. So elbows up, open like that. Ready? Excellent. I'm sure that by now you're just begging for a leg exercise. Oh, can you feel those shoulders? Okay, we're doing a leg exercise. We're doing squat without normal squats, sumo squats. So like a sumo wrestler, as wide as you can, right here. And we're going to go down as low as we can. 2 more, everyone. Let's go. Ready? Great one. That's the last one, everyone. And what else? Then another plank. So we're going to go in the plank, and we're going to do crunches while we're in the plank. So what does that mean? From our plank position here, we're going to go crunch, crunch. Okay? Make sure that you keep your shoulders above your hands. Ready? Give yourself a pat on the shoulder. Okay, for static stretching now, let's just place our hand between your shoulder blades and pull our elbow down. Keep on breathing. Other arm. Okay, our shoulder. Other arm. Now the opposite. Hold on. Here. Stretch. Well done. To the side. Other side. Come back. Feet together. Just drop. And back. Very good. Just climb down. And stretch those arms. Stretch. A bit forward, feet flat on the mat, lean backwards. And our hamstrings. Same hand, inside, out, lean backwards. Other side, same hand, inside, out, and lean backwards. You should feel it here. Hamstrings. Last one. Feet together. Pull your toes towards you and try to press those knees down. Back straight. Excellent everyone, what a great workout. I really enjoyed this one. If you found this workout useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment at the bottom, I always read them. And if you haven't done yet, subscribe to the channel, click that notification button so each time I post a new video, you will be notified, which is every day. Also let me know if you preferred the first cardio workout or this one. I definitely prefer this one. And I hope to see you in the next video. Stay fit and see ya, bye.